Hi everyone! In this video we will connect Attribute Manager to player character, but you can connect it to any actor you want. In this project, all info about the player is stored in the data assets, and the player has a link to this asset. Let's also add here info about the attributes. It will be a variable of type map, where key is the attribute and value is the initial value at start of the game. Now let's create the attributes. In the attributes folder you have two objects, BP attribute and PDA attribute. PDA attribute is a template that contains all info about the attribute. Based on PDA attribute we will create the attribute. For each attribute the manager will create a BP attribute. In this form our attributes will be presented in the game world. To create the attribute, you need to create the data asset from template. Then open it and specify info about the attribute. Now let's set what attributes our player will have. I will just copy the map from another player info. Let's connect the manager to our actor. We will also connect the interface, using which manager can get info about the attribute. Add some logic to our actor if necessary. If we are talking about the player, the tag player must be added to it. When saving a game, the manager saves attributes, level and boost points for player. When the game is loaded, the manager needs to find out if the owner is a player, and if it is, manager will load the data. Using data assets, you can create different variants of the same attribute. Let's look at health. It can be without regeneration, with regeneration by percentage, with regeneration by value. But all of these three variants have the same key, health. The health bar asks the manager not for a specific attribute, but for an attribute by key. The manager also searches and manages attributes by key. Thus, all your actors can have different variants of the same attribute.